guys, I'm starting the morning off with a fresh hot glass of rose tea with honey, a honey stick. It wasn't very sweet, but it hit just right. I just needed to rest my brain and just have a couple moments of solitude this morning. Now, let's get to it.
Show me the call you when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, with me, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all
I wanted to give you my perspective on our garden. Have you ever taken a look at raspberry flowers? Gosh, they're so fragile, but beautiful nonetheless. These are the empty plots that we have. Some are vacant, as you can see, but I see this being really luscious and green come springtime. This area right here is for a handicapped person, which is just absolutely brilliant. As you can see, things are growing quite well in the soil that they have provided here. And maybe in the future, I'll do some in-ground vegetables or edibles that I actually want to eat besides herbs. Do you ever see random signs like this? Like at the moment, they mean so much. This broccoli head looks really good. I think they cut it already, and these are like, you know how it sprouts back? I think that's what it is. And this basil was, it was so big. They did a big trimming on that. This person here has put in pumpkins. It's late in the season, but I guess she still wanted to grow some. And I think she said she was doing radish and carrots. This guy right here is going to have like a full-on setup. But this one has been vacant. Well, someone planted these few watermelons. It's like 5 of them. But they haven't been back for a really long time. And I think the watermelons are bad now. This mint plant, or is it basil? Drop a comment down below, but I think it's basil actually. No, it's mint. It had so many bumblebees, like just so many. It was beautiful. And this is another person. I think she was doing bok choy, basil, and that's it. And I just want to end it with
Spray
Nola
it all over, baby.
helping mommy water. She did such a good job. And I appreciate you guys coming back for another video. Stay tuned for the next one. See you next week.